Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Effortless car turn signal switch replacement, a step-by-step guide. The turn signal switch in a car plays a crucial role in indicating your intent to other drivers on the road. When this component starts malfunctioning, it can pose serious safety risks. Signs like erratic blinking, non-functioning signals, or no response at all signal the need for a replacement. Understanding the general process of replacing the turn signal switch can save you time and money. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of this component, the warning signs indicating replacement, and a step-by-step guide on how to replace it efficiently. Understanding the turn signal switch. In every vehicle, the turn signal switch is a crucial component responsible for indicating a driver's intention to turn or change lanes. Located conveniently on the steering column, this simple yet vital lever allows drivers to communicate their movements to other road users effectively. By activating the turn signal switch, drivers trigger the blinking of the corresponding turn signal lights, alerting surrounding vehicles and pedestrians to their intended maneuvers. Signs of a faulty turn signal switch. Non-responsive turn signals. One of the most obvious signs of a faulty turn signal switch is when the turn signals do not activate or respond when the lever is engaged. Rapid blinking. Another common symptom is the turn signal lights blinking at a rapid pace, signaling a potential issue with the switch's functionality. Complete failure to signal. In more severe cases, the turn signal switch may completely fail to operate, leaving drivers without any means to indicate their turns or lane changes. Importance of timely replacement. Driving with a faulty turn signal switch poses serious safety risks on the road. Without functioning turn signals, drivers lose a critical method of communication with other motorists, increasing the likelihood of confusion, misunderstandings, and potentially dangerous situations. Timely replacement of a malfunctioning turn signal switch is essential to maintain safe driving practices and prevent accidents caused by the lack of proper signaling. It is imperative to address any issues with the turn signal switch promptly to ensure the safety of both the driver and other road users. Preparing for replacement. Before you begin the turn signal switch replacement, it's essential to prepare yourself with the necessary tools and locate the switch in your vehicle. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get ready for the replacement process. Tools and materials required. 1. Screwdriver. Ensure you have a suitable screwdriver that fits the screws in your vehicle. 2. New turn signal switch. Purchase the correct replacement turn signal switch for your specific vehicle make and model. 3. Protective gear. Safety first. Consider wearing gloves and protective eyewear to safeguard yourself during the replacement process. Locating the turn signal switch. Locating the turn signal switch in your vehicle may vary depending on the make and model. However, a common location is behind the steering wheel column. Here's a general guide to help you find it. 1. Steering wheel column. Check behind the steering wheel column, usually where the turn signal lever is located. 2. Dashboard area. In some vehicles, the turn signal switch may be located near the dashboard area. 3. Consult your vehicle manual. If you're unsure about the exact location of the turn signal switch in your vehicle, referring to the manufacturer's manual can provide specific guidance. By ensuring you have the necessary tools and knowing where to locate the turn signal switch, you'll be well prepared to proceed with the replacement process. Remember to work carefully and follow safety precautions to successfully replace your turn signal switch. Replacing the turn signal switch. Before diving into the replacement process, it's crucial to ensure your safety and prevent any electrical mishaps. Disconnecting the car's battery serves as a fundamental precautionary step to safeguard yourself and your vehicle from potential hazards. Step 1. Disconnecting the battery. To start, locate your car's battery and carefully detach the negative terminal using a wrench. By disconnecting the battery, you eliminate the risk of electrical shocks or short circuits during the turn signal switch replacement. Step 2. Removing the old turn signal switch. Begin by identifying the old turn signal switch's location on your steering column. Utilize the appropriate tools to unfasten any screws or clips holding the switch in place. Gently detach the old switch, ensuring not damage any surrounding components while removing it from its position. Step 3. Installing the new turn signal switch. Now, it's time to install the new turn signal switch correctly. Align the new switch with the designated spot on the steering column, making sure it fits securely. Connect the switch to the car's electrical system following the manufacturer's instructions to ensure a proper and functional installation. By carefully following these steps and being mindful of safety measures, you can successfully replace the turn signal switch in your vehicle. Remember, Attention to detail and precision are key to a smooth replacement process that ensures your turn signals operate flawlessly. Testing and final steps. After installing the new turn signal switch, it is crucial to ensure that everything is functioning correctly before hitting the road. Let's go through the testing process and final checks to wrap up the replacement smoothly. Testing the turn signals. To start testing, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Activate the turn signals in both directions to check if they are responding appropriately. Watch out for any flickering lights, dimness, or complete failure to function. If you encounter any issues, double-check the installation to confirm all connections are secure. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause signal malfunctions. If problems persist, consider checking the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the turn signals. Additionally, inspect the wiring harness for any visible damage or loose connections. Taking these troubleshooting steps can help identify and resolve any issues with the new turn signal switch effectively. Final checks and safety precautions. Before considering the replacement job complete, run a final check to ensure everything is in order. Test the headlights, taillights, brake lights, hazard lights, and of course, the turn signals to verify all electrical components are working correctly. Next, inspect the installed turn signal switch for proper alignment and secure mounting. Confirm that the steering wheel functions smoothly without any interference from the switch. Finally, check the dashboard indicator lights to see if they respond accurately to the turn signal activation. Before driving the vehicle, it's essential to emphasize safety precautions. Double-check all connections and fastenings to prevent any loose parts while on the road. Ensure the steering column covers are reinstalled securely. Taking time to conduct these final checks and safety precautions is crucial to your safety and the proper functioning of the turn signal switch replacement. Finally, ensuring your car's turn signal switch is in optimal condition is crucial for your safety on the road. A malfunctioning switch can lead to confusion among other drivers and increase the risk of accidents. Don't overlook the signs of a faulty turn signal switch. Be proactive and address any issues promptly to maintain a well-functioning vehicle. Your quick action can prevent potential dangers and keep you and your passengers safe during every journey. Remember, a small repair today can save you from bigger problems tomorrow. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.